14B District Court is now in session. This is Magistrate Hillary Braley presiding. Now calling case numbers 21FB1783 and 20S00057. These are the State of Michigan versus Clarence Darrell Reed. Can I have appearances for the record, please?
Ashley Moten, Assistant Public Defender, appearing on behalf of Mr. Reed. State your name, sir.
Clarence Reed. Clarence Darrell Reed.
Thank you very much. So today is the date and time set for arraignment in both of these matters. Obviously, they are both on the older side. What
Yes.
I am seeing, it looks like in the matter ending in 1783, you were sentenced to probation. You appeared for some reviews, but you never contacted probation to review or sign the contract. You were set to appear in person on August 8th of 2024 and failed to appear. In the matter ending in 0057, there's been no final disposition in this matter. You appeared for some pre-trials. And then again, you were to appear in person on August 8th of last year and failed to appear. So at that time, bench warrants issued for your arrest in both of these matters. And the judge has ordered no bond. Attorney Moten?
Thank you. Last year, Mr. Reed was homeless. He had a lot of personal things going on, which caused him to miss his court date. That address that was in the system, he hasn't lived there for a couple years. I do know that he appeared for some some hearings. However, if there was any notification that went out, likely went somewhere where he wasn't able to receive it. Today, he has a stable home. He is employed. He is a father of 2 adult children, so he has family support. I do understand that the bond was denied, but just giving the time that this occurred, the failure to appear a year ago. These cases are 4 to 5 years old, and due to the, I guess, their driving while license suspended and their misdemeanors. So I do believe that a personal bond will be sufficient. He is very eager to address these cases and take care of them. I do not believe for any reason he's a danger to the community or a flight risk. He assured me he will be showing up for his court date so he can take care of these cases. We're requesting a personal bond in both matters, please.
Okay, thank you. And so I've got this Pecan Street in Belleville.
Correct.
Okay, and a phone number ending in 5055.
Yes, both correct, right, Mr. Reed?
24.
Yeah, you don't have to read the whole address. We're just making sure that we got.
I didn't hear it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay. And so it sounds like your housing situation has stabilized quite a bit?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And just so that we're clear for the record, Attorney Moten, I've got the CAA form here, so he is being referred to your office for coverage since we're post-sentencing. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
We have a niece that she said that she'd help me a lot too with this stuff. She actually works in the office.
I'm sorry, sir. I couldn't hear what you were saying if you were talking to me.
No, I was saying I have a niece that was gonna help me with a lot of stuff, my paperwork and stuff. That's why I was having trouble at.
Okay. And Attorney Moten, you're aware that there's a couple of bench warrants out of the 52-3 District Court, that's Rochester, Auburn Hills.
Yes.
Yes, we did talk about that as well.
This time the court will set a pretrial conference date in the matter ending in 0057 and a violation of probation hearing date in the matter ending in 1783. Those will both be on August 28th, 2025. That will be at 9 in the morning over Zoom in front of Judge Washington. All right. You should get paperwork before you leave the jail. If that phone number that we have for you is good, which I think you just said that it was, then you should get text message reminders for the court dates. All right. You should also get notices mailed to your address.
Okay.
Okay. Also, you know you have a court date coming up. So if anything happens, you can call the public defender's office. You can also call the 14B district court. Okay? Okay. So again, that's August 28th, 2025, 9 in the morning.
Thank you.
Regarding the matter ending in 1783, I want you to call the 14B district court's probation department within 24 hours. Okay? So, or I should say within 24 hours of your release. All right?
That's here, right? Oh.
No. So it's
Okay.
at 14B. Okay, you can either call, you can also come in, and they'll probably just give you the phone number if you come in, but you can come in to get it, if nothing else. Okay?
Okay.
It may also be on your paperwork. The public defender certainly has it. Okay? Because it looks like there were a couple things that they wanted you to do. There was some sort of like responsibility class and a driving class and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so call probation, get back on track with that before your next court date. All right? Okay, so at this time, based on the fact that your circumstances have changed so much in the intervening year, you've got a stable address, you're trying to get this stuff resolved, I am going to grant personal recognizance bonds in these matters. They will be $10,000 personal recognizance bonds. So what that means is you're not required to post anything to get out. But if you fail to appear for your court date on August 28th, first off, there's a reasonable chance that your bond will be revoked entirely again. Okay? But at a minimum, it would start at $10,000 per case. All right?
Yes.
Okay. So show up for court,
I
do
will.
what you got to do. Okay?
Thank you.
Any
Thank you.
questions? Do you have
think-
any questions?
No. Thank
Okay.
you.
Attorney Moten, did you have anything that you wanted to add?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Then, Mr. Reed, you are free to go to the door and tell the jail that you are finished. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thanks, Ashley.
No problem. Talk to you soon.
All right, let's talk about that. The arraignment for Clarence Darrell Reed was one of those quiet hearings where you could really feel the tension between past missteps and the honest desire to make things right. Reed appeared in front of Magistrate Braley, facing two old Madiswan with a probation violation and another still awaiting disposition, both tied to driving while license suspended charges. The record showed he'd missed court dates and never signed his probation contract, which is a big no-no in any court. But the story behind it, that's where it got more human. According to public defender Ashley Moten, Reed had been homeless last year, without a stable address or phone, and was essentially lost in the shuffle. He wasn't ignoring the system, he was just out of reach from it 07305. Fast forward to now, and things have changed. Reed has a steady home in Belleville. He's working, and he's leaning on family support, especially a niece, who, as it turns out, works in the court system and is helping him keep things organized. That little detail struck a chord. When someone says, "My niece helps me with paperwork," that's not just logistics, it's someone trying to rebuild trust and routine. Magistrate Braley took all that into account. She didn't sugarcoat the past, she noted the warrants, the failures to appear, but she also recognized the effort being made today. She granted him the $10,000 personal recognizance bonds, meaning he's not putting up cash now, but if he skips his August 28th hearing, things get real expensive, real fast. Braley's tone throughout was calm, clear, and firm, exactly what you'd hope to see from the bench. She gave Reed explicit instructions to call probation within 24 hours of release and walked through the consequences of future no-shows. There were no lectures, no dramatics, just straight talk. Reed, for his part, was respectful and responsive, clearly grateful for the second shot. You could tell he was still getting his footing, but he wasn't making excuses. And with Moten guiding the legal side and his niece handling the calendar, he's got a decent shot at staying on track. This hearing didn't have any fireworks. but it had something more valuable: a system recognizing when someone's trying to return to it. No one got off easy, but no one was written off either. That's the kind of courtroom moment that reminds you how much showing up and meaning it still counts. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.